Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set a page as a home page in your WordPress website. Let's come to the computer screen and log into your WordPress admin panel. In the admin panel of your WordPress, look at the left menu. You will select the option of setting. Just mouse over this option. You will get a flyout having some more options. Just click this reading option. In the reading option, look at the top side. You will see a static page select below. Here is a home page. Now click this button. You will find all the pages in your website. For example, if I want to put Microsoft Excel as a home page, you will have to select it and save. Now let me show you this all in action. Type the domain name. Here you will find an Excel page, and if you will change it to this, save, then refresh, you will find another scene. So the job done. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.